Hi, Diana. Good evening.
Hi, Richa. Good evening from my side.
Good evening to
How are
you
you?
from my side, too. I'm good by God's grace, and I'm really so much unflinching just because of you are here. So I'm feeling really fantastic because of you are present in my life and at this platform. So, Diana, you're the most welcome at this platform as a awesome blossom English learner.
Yes, thank you, Richard, for inviting me to your podcast, and I'm happy, and it's my pleasure too. Thank you.
You're the most welcome from my heart. So, how are you, Diana?
I'm good, and if I can say, I'm fantastic today. Not all
Wow.
today, the whole day. I can
Oh,
say
that's
that.
really amazing. That's really
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
So, Diana, please could you introduce yourself in front side of my students that they all are really very exciting to know that who is the pretty girl here among us.
Don't mention. Okay, thank you, Richard, for giving me opportunity in your podcast. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself first. Okay, my name is Diana. I'm from Indonesia. Now I live in Jakarta, which is the capital of Indonesia. So, and now I'm as a housewife with two children. Yeah, the first one is a daughter, and the second one is a son. I think this is myself. Thank you.
Oh, that's really amazing. You have two children, but you are really looking younger. Seriously,
Oh my
you are looking
goodness!
so
Don't
gorgeous.
mention.
Okay. So, like, what you do, like, you are housemaker or like you are also working?
Yeah, to be honest, right now I'm just a homemaker. I could say that. Yeah, but in the past, many years ago, yeah, I was working at the one company, particular company, but for some reason to keep my family, so I was resigning from that company. So now I could say I'm just a housewife and I'm a homemaker. That's it.
Yeah, we can say home manager as well.
Yeah, I think so. There are a lot of
Oh,
things that I have done.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So, actually, do you know that I am recording this conversation for my YouTube platform? As you know that.
Mhm.
So, you don't have any kind of problem if I will record this conversation, ma'am, Diana?
No, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay,
It's my
okay.
pleasure
Because
too.
yeah, because after this completed podcast, I will upload this podcast on my YouTube platform. So are you okay with this?
Yeah, yeah, I'm okay.
Oh, that's
If
really
you think
amazing.
it's okay and maybe beneficial for other people, it's my pleasure.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so actually, Diana, question is that as we know all buddies that everyone's suffering this lockdown period because this pandemic is not only in India, this pandemic is not in Indonesia, UK, British, any like this pandemic is world pandemic. So I want to know about your experience because I can say that you are also like home manager, a lady, and I'm also a lady. I'm also like as a home manager, and I also can say that we also can share our experience which we suffered because of pandemic. So I'm really curious to know that I don't know about the Indonesia culture, but I can feel because you are my bestie and you also met me as an online platform. I'm really glad to meet you just because of pandemic. So actually, I want to know about your experience. According to you, lockdown period that was really amazing in your life as a boon or curse?
Thank you, Richa. Yeah, I think there are two sides from this bad situation. Yeah. Okay, I try to talk or try to tell about one side, I think what the bad situation, especially in my life, in my family members, something like that, yeah. Due to this bad situation, due to this pandemic situation, of course, like my financial, I think it was decreasing a lot because my husband also have a business, but now I can say it's like yeah, mostly not active as usual. So it's a effect to my to our financial, yeah. And the other things I can say from this bad situation also we can get the good things. For example, we have a lot because we can't go outside because even though in my country it's not totally locked down, but our government told us or asked us to not go outside if it is not necessary. So mostly all the time we can say we have to stay at home, even working, we are working from home. So we have much time together each other from our family members. So this is the good things from our side, I think so. We can know each other because in the past before pandemic sometimes we don't know each other because of our busyness, something like that, yeah. And now I can say we can talk each other. We have a lot of time to talk many things, and then we can enjoy a lot of time in our home, something like that. So this is the good things from this pandemic situation. I can say that. I don't know. How about you?
That's really amazing. That's really
Yeah.
amazing. Seriously, I'm really enjoying while you're
Mm,
speaking, just because of your positive words and thoughts. Because
mm,
like, you also suffered a lot because your husband, you can say, business is closed just because of pandemic. But right now, I just noticed one thing, that your smile and your positive words, it's like showing that you also, like, mostly people suffered a lot just because of pandemic. Someone has lost the job, someone has
mhm,
someone had lost a business, someone had lost a family member as well, someone had not any eatable things, someone had
mhm,
different type of problems, everyone.
mhm. Yeah.
But you also, like, a really very, like, strong lady, that
Yeah.
you also had a problem related to your business, and you are wife also, housemaker also, but still you are really happy. So I want to
Yes.
know, uh I want to know, secret what is the secret that you are
Mm,
right now, you're feeling very positive and very, calm and
mm.
smiley?
Yes.
Because huh,
Okay. Thank you, Richa. And one again, I could say, yeah. We can't just stay at home and nothing to do. And as you know, I would like to say my hobby is plant, so many planting around my house. So this is one new thing that I can do to fulfill my time in our home. So every day I could say I try to take time to my planting. I have to plant many things, many plants, especially flowers. So if you can see one day my planting around my home, there are a lot of flowers, even in my front yard or even in my backyard or some little bit in upstairs, I can say in the rooftop. Yeah, I
uh,
plant a few some of vegetable. So this is one thing that I can do in the lockdown period, yeah, to make me happy because when we are happy, I think this is one the booster for us, yeah, like immunity to increase our
image.
immunity to avoid any diseases, yeah, especially to coronavirus, yeah, something like that. So yeah, and beside this also, I choose one thing that I can do to fulfill my time in my home, especially for me. I learned English, you know. Yeah,
Wow.
I learned English so much. I love English, and I learned from my own side, like watch a lot of videos. Yeah, how to pronounce words, how to make sentence, even grammar. So this is one thing that I can do in my lockdown period, Richa.
So
Yeah.
I can say this lockdown in your life as a boon, Natakash. Am I right?
Yeah, yes, you are right. Yeah, absolutely. One side, yeah.
So this lockdown, you will about to miss too much badly after the lockdown. After this pandemic, definitely you will miss this lockdown. Am I right, Diana?
Not, yeah, I think not absolutely like that, because even though I think we can do anything in the lockdown period, but to be honest, I don't want to back like this situation, you know.
Okay. So why are you thinking like that, that you will not miss this lockdown period? Because this lockdown
This
period
is
gives you
your question.
many talents. You also learned English communications in lockdown period. You also grow a lot of flowers in your garden, and you also spend the timing with your hubby and with your family as well in the lockdown. But still, you are saying that uh, you will you will never try
Mhm.
to miss this lockdown period.
Yeah. Yes, Richa. As I said, the things that I did is to make me happy, to food, something like that. Not like because I'm happy to this bad situation, to this pandemic situation. No, just how to make me know. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm thinking about the whole thing. Yeah, the whole thing is the pandemic situation is not good for us, for you, for every people around the world. So I wish the situation, this bad situation, is gone as soon, you know, as soon as possible. This is my hope. This is our, yeah. Because beside this, there are a lot of there are a lot of problems we are facing, like other people. I have heard a lot of people here, they lost they don't have any income, they can't earn money for their food, for their, yeah, consume, something like that. So it's very sad, you know. So I think we agree that this bad situation have gone. Yeah, we have something. We wish something like that. Do you agree with me?
Exactly,
And
exactly. Yeah,
Cha,
absolutely.
can you hear
Hmm.
me?
Of course, I can hear you. Actually, I think network issues so much irritating to you, just because of that you are not properly audible to us and you are not visible to us properly. So, but now you are a little bit visible to us. So, actually, I'm really very happy to listen your positive words relate to lockdown periods. I can say that we also, like, it's up to us that
Mm-hmm.
we also can face this. We also can face any kind of natural natural disaster, pandemic, as a pandemic, as in any kind of thing, because it's up, not us, it's up to the god. Okay, we also can defeat this corona by positive feelings, by smiley face, and if because we don't have any kind of solutions,
Mm-hmm.
we don't
Yes.
have any kind of solution, and I can learn many things by you, that it's up to you. Huh. It's up to us. I can learn many things by you. Then it's up to us that we also can defeat this, not only pandemic, we also can defeat to everyone, just because of positive words and as well as positive, what can I say, feelings, emotions, thoughts, and we also take a decision very calm of manner. But we will think and we will take a stress. Definitely, we cannot do any kind of. We can, we can, what can I say, we can lose a life also just because of stress, tensions, depression, life. That's why. So I learned one thing by you, that we are human beings. So definitely problem is creating automatically by the human's life. But we also can, it's up to us that how to face the life, how to face the problems, how to face any
Yeah.
condition and situations. So I also learned one thing, that just try to keep a smile and just try to face all problems which you have. Because by the smiley and by your positive words and by your happy face, definitely can fight, you can defeat to everything. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Diana,
Yeah.
yeah, would you like to ask me questions? If you have any query, you can ask me.
Okay, as I said, yeah, as you said also, we are facing a lot of problems. But there's one thing that I want to know from you,
Uh-huh.
what the particular things that you can do in your life to avoid any stressing because this pandemic situation. Got my point? Did you get my point?
Yeah, yeah, I got that point. I got that. Yeah. So, you want to ask relate to lockdown periods?
Mhm. Yes, yes. What do you think? What do you do? What do you do in your life?
Okay, okay. I got the question. So yeah, definitely. So actually, in lockdown period, I was like, first thing is that I'm really very I was really curious to take a time from my husband on the anniversary day, a wedding of day. My wedding, my wedding day and date is 22nd of March, and that is my like that is my wedding anniversary date. And that day, Modi ji has started the first lockdown period, and I was really feeling happy just because of my husband with me all day on my
Yeah.
wedding anniversary day. My husband said to me before that day that what do you want, Richa, what do you want? I will give you all things. But because of business, he had not time for me because he was really busy just because of the responsibility or business. But because of lockdown, and 22nd of March, that was first day of lockdown, and he also gave to me, he also spent me precious time, 24 hours with me. So I can say that is really for me as a bone. And I also learned one thing from the lockdown, that everyone has problem, and in this lockdown everyone losing all things, relationship, trust,
Yeah.
and trust people, no any meeting to each other. You cannot meet to anyone, but still you also can analyze natural environment. Because I just noticed in the lockdown period, a lot of people also prefer to go on the roof and terrace, just because they also want to
Mhm.
enjoy, but they
Mhm.
didn't have any options to enjoy the life, to go outside to meet with the friends. But they also
Mhm.
search for solutions to go on the roof, on the terrace, and that's why they also can we feel in the evening of natural environment. And I also learned many things in the lockdown period. First thing is that I was loser before the lockdown period. But right now, I am really smarty girl. Just because of that thing, that I just started my English journey in the lockdown period. And I also had,
Yeah.
I also met many people, two type of people, bad and good. When I just met good people, and I just, I just keep in my heart as you. And when I just met a bad people, and I just, I learned a lessons how to tackle with them, how to deal with them,
Mhm.
how to reply with them. So I just, now I
Mhm.
can say I'm clever, just as a fox. So on, I want to give the message to everyone, to every audience as well, that don't be think that you are unlucky or lucky. Just think that you're really so much lucky because you have woman's life. So
Yeah.
this life, it's up to you how to enjoy. If you want to enjoy, of course you can enjoy. But if you want to cry and stressful and sad your life, so definitely you have no need to take any kind of stress. Stress,
Mhm.
stress, and you can say mental, mental fives automatically with the human beings. But it's a biggest solutions you have, that you can search easily by the calm of nature, calm of the mind, and you just keep calm and just try to face all situations. I also had decided,
Yes.
after the lockdown period, I also had decided, oh my God, one day I will also die just because of this pandemic. And my son said to me, Mama, don't take any kind of stress. You are not one of the special that you will die. You will die. If
Yeah.
you will die, definitely you can die. Not only for pandemic, you also can die without the corona. What will you do? And I said, yeah, of course you're saying right. Why I'm taking a stress? Okay, God, go, come. God, come and take my last breath. And I said like that to my
Yeah.
son, and my son said to me, no, 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 Mama, no, don't say like this. You are so much important in my life, so don't say like
Of
this.
course.
But yeah, don't take any kind of stress. If you think that your life is last, you also can take last breath just because of the corona. So don't think. It's, if you
Mhm.
have life, definitely you will live. If you don't have life,
Yeah.
definitely you can die at any, like you can say at any conditions you can die. Like just pinch of the salt, take as a headache or like a little bit fever.
Yeah.
So just enjoy the life.
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. You're right. Totally right. Yes. And if I want to know about the last situation in your country, especially in your, can you hear me,
Of
Richard?
course you are, yeah, you
Yeah.
are audible to us. Yeah.
So, how about the situation, the last situation in your country, especially in your area, in your state, maybe?
Okay, 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 yeah. I got that
Is it
question. This is,
okay? And yeah,
of, of course, it's absolutely okay. Okay. Am I audible to you, Diana?
yeah. Carry
Oh,
on, carry on.
that's really much. Okay. Actually, second situation when we also have faced a second lockdown and second corona when the started at the time, after, like you can say, after the April, and that was really drastical, not in my life, not
Mhm.
in the society, for everyone. Just because of when first lockdown had started at the time, we also had listened by the news that person is died, that person was died there in this country, this city. And when I didn't listen, that in my family, in my society, I didn't listen even single case because of the pandemic. But after the April
Mhm.
2021,
Yeah.
that was really drastical. And in my society, a lot of people also dying, a lot of people also died just because of pandemic. And when we also sleep, and we also thinking that now phone is ringing, someone is died. When we also sleep in the night and phone is ringing, and we also thinking that now someone is calling to us and that person is died. That means
Mm-hmm.
when phone is also
Okay.
ringing to us and we also thinking only one, that yeah, now we will listen only bad news, because in the society very bad conditions in the second lockdown, very bad
Mm-hmm.
conditions. And in my family actually I also had lost my you can say brother-in-law, my jiju. Actually I have yeah,
Oh.
I have sister-in-law also, and he has she has two baby. One is daughter,
I
she is in 11th standard, and second is in first standard, and he's a boy, and he's only 7 years old. Same here with him, with her also. Her husband also had hospitalized before 2 days, and doctor said your patient had no more, just because of she actually he had suffered from 2 days only, like corona fever. But suddenly when we had
Mm-hmm.
hospitalized to him, and I also had listened that he had no more. So that was really critical time. But now I can say condition is overcome. Now condition is really very better. Now everyone is okay. We are not listening any kind of bad news that someone is dying, someone is
Yeah.
suffering a corona.
Got
No, now it's okay. And what about your country, dear?
Yeah. Thanks God. I'm glad to hear about the last situation in your country. But to be honest, in my country, in the some part of area, especially in my big city, Jakarta, I can say nowadays it is still increasing. It is still increasing. But yeah, because I don't know what the reason for that. But yes, the thing is that we hope all things will be fine. And yeah, because maybe the reason is sometimes some people they don't follow all the uh, protocol, health protocol, like wear mask, keep social distancing. They don't care about that. Maybe this is one reason why until now coronavirus still increasing, in my country. Even though in my country, in my city, it's not locked down, totally locked down now. But yeah, we have to take care, or we have to pay attention about this bad situation. Yeah, I can say not. Yeah, it's totally under control, but still, how can I say? Still pay attention for that.
Yeah, yeah. So I can say only, like in your country, no any lockdown, and it is very, very drastical point that yeah, of course, a like pandemic is not decreasing, increasing just because of a lockdown. But there is a strictly lockdown, and there is a strictly rules also. If someone is go outside, so that person also will have to give the reason why are you going to outside. And second thing is,
Mm.
if someone is going to outside without mask, so definitely that person also like can like 1000 rupees of tax, just because of no any
Oh,
mask
punishment.
with that person, punishment as a 1000 rupees as a tax. Okay. So that's why people also follow this rule. And right now there is no strictly lockdown. But yeah, we are following we are following social distancing and mask as well, because
Mm.
there is a two
Yeah.
solution only and only, that if you want to save your life, so definitely you have to follow the social distancing, mask, and sanitizer. This is the only
Yeah.
solution if you want to save the life.
Absolutely. Yes. Yes.
But yeah, I really
Absolutely.
so
Yes.
much feeling, like, but I can say that I also felt a pain that in your country, no any lockdown, no any taken actions by the government. I cannot say any kind of thing, but yeah, this is really very, really very critical for everyone, not only for a person. That this is for everyone, because this life
Yeah.
is not included only one. This is the infected disease. This is the infection disease. So I can say, please just try to and just maintain social distancing as well, and just try to use the mask
Yes.
and use the sanitizer. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So actually, I want to know. I want to know your experience that now, like, what kind of you are feeling right now among us that you are here, and we are really very glad that you are with us. But we also know we
Yes.
want to know that what kind of feeling you are feeling with us.
Mhm. Okay, thank you, Richard. To be honest, I'm so happy. I'm so glad to be here in your podcast because yeah, we can share each other from my side or even from your side due to our situation, due to our experience. Yeah, what the bad things from this bad situation, and also beside this, we get also the good things like our golden period. Yeah, as you said, I totally agree with you. And the thing is that the most important for us, I think, I got from you. And yeah, even though we are facing a lot of problems due to this pandemic, but the thing is that we have to be happy, because this is one thing that make our immunity is increasing. Yeah. And the last one is yeah,
Machine
this
is
is from
something like
I
that.
think we have to pray to our God to facing this kind of situation. Yeah, to be stay safe, stay healthy, something like that. And again, I would like to say thank you for inviting me. And this is my pleasure to having you. and uh,
No, no,
and the
you're
last one
saying
is,
that.
I'm
Thank you
so
so much.
sorry. Yeah, and the last one, I'm so sorry if there is any mistake from my speech or even from my words, because I'm just learning, Yeah, I'm still learning
No, no,
English until now.
no any mistake. Yeah,
And I hope you
yeah.
understand
No any
me.
mistakes. No any
Also
mistakes.
through
Don't
my
like.
speech.
Of course, I'm understanding to you properly. Yeah, I'm understanding to you properly. Don't worry. So definitely we will meet again. Definitely. Bye.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye. Have a great good day. And definitely we will meet to each other again. Okay.
Okay, Richard, thank you. You're